Hi, welcome to this lecture. Here we are going to explore two major OOP principles, encapsulation and abstraction. Let's start with encapsulation. It means bundling data and methods. Data means variables and methods means functions. Bundling data and methods that operate on the data into one unit, the class. This also involves restricting access to some parts of the object. In Python, we can mark attributes as public, which can be accessible from outside, protected, conventionally internal, and private, not accessible from outside directly. Here is an example. We have a class car. We are creating a constructor, and inside it we are creating a private variable. Self.__speed equals 0. Yes friend, private variable is declared like this, __, then the variable name. We are protecting the speed variable from direct access. We can add methods like getSpeed and setSpeed, also known as getters and setters, to safely interact with it. Now, abstraction means hiding the internal complexity. When you drive a car, again, you don't see how the engine works. That's abstraction, right? In programming, you can abstract away complex code inside methods, exposing only what's necessary to the user. Together, encapsulation and abstraction help reduce complexity and protect your code from misuse. So that's it. I guess you have understood the concept of encapsulation and abstraction, and also we have seen how to create private variable or protected variable. Yes, protected variable has only one underscore before it. See you in our next lecture where we will take a look at inheritance in Python.